Hello, welcome to Bonnen Battery. I'm excited to introduce our lithium battery pack for street sweeper vehicles. Let's start by taking a closer look at the design and key components of this battery pack. First, the battery pack features a 3-pin connector, which integrates both the charging and discharging functions into one connector. This makes quick battery swaps easy. For safety during maintenance, we've included a 350 ampere MSD. This is a 12-pin communication connector for vehicle system. We've installed a liquid cooling plate. The inlet and outlet pipes feature elbow connectors. For added safety, the battery is fitted with a safety vent valve. The battery pack's metal casing provides a strong and durable structure. It is built to last, and with an IP67 waterproof rating, it's fully protected against dust and water. Plus, there are mounting bars at the bottom of the pack to make installation quick and easy. The battery features a 6.6 kilowatts onboard charger, which can fully charge the battery pack in about 3 hours. This battery pack is designed specifically for street sweeper vehicles, but it's versatile enough to be used in other applications, like sanitation vehicles, special purpose vehicles, and agricultural vehicles. Thank you for watching. We are excited to bring you this innovative solution and look forward to helping power your next project with our high-quality lithium battery packs. See you next time.